What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm going to be doing the impossible Microsoft Paint Design Challenge. So guys, I actually did this challenge a little while ago. This is going to be part 2 of it, of course, the Microsoft Paint Design Challenge. Now, I'm just going to say this straight off the bat. If you think this challenge is going to be easy, then you're really underestimating how hard it is, because I remember doing it before and it was so hard. I know there is dedicated designers out there to actually work solely on Microsoft Paint, and although that is sick, I'd love to do that. The only time I ever use the program is when I'm dead bored at school, and it's probably not going to be for designing anything professionally. I know a lot of you may be the same, so I'm going to try and attempt to actually use the program. Also guys, if you would like to give this video a go, then definitely do, okay? It's really hard, but I'm sure a lot of you could do so much better than me out there. So if you do make a design challenge video on Microsoft Paint, put in the title #Visual Paint, and I'm just going to check out some of the responses. I'll follow some of you guys, tweet them at me on Twitter, and yeah, like I said, I'll just comment on some, and we can see who is the best paint designer out of all of my subscribers, or the people watching this video, which is less than my sub count. So guys, without further ado, I'm just rambling on here. I'm going to head over to my computer and let's give this challenge a go. I'm not looking forward to this. So guys, as you can tell, I'm on my computer now. We've got Microsoft Paint CS, no, it's CC 2018 actually. We've got that open right now, as you can see. Let's actually increase the size of this document. Wabam, there you go. However guys, before we do start, we need to get inspired to create some Microsoft Paint art, and as you can see here, this is someone who made a crazy piece of art on Microsoft Paint. God knows how they made that. That's some magical, like, sort of Hogwarts shit, I don't know, but they even have like the speed art of them making it, which is absolutely insane. We're just gonna give a go, well, we're gonna give it a go at creating our own Microsoft Paint art, and it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna be more sort of simple. We're gonna try and maybe create a header or a banner. Let's create a header. We'll give it a go. We'll try our best. Okay guys, we've got a blank canvas. I'm guessing this is around about the header size. Probably isn't. Okay, I don't really care. We're gonna get started anyway. The person I'm gonna make the header for is going to be FaZe Banks. I have some kind of good ideas. I say that it's gonna come out terrible. I'm just gonna say that in advance. Let's go ahead. That's not paint. Where's paint? There it is. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started now. I'm gonna start off by grabbing the paint bucket tool, you know, and filling in the background black. I'm guessing that's a good start, and I already have my fonts on here, so that's pretty good. Bonus, I guess. Already all of my fonts are on the drop down menu, so I guess that's okay. Don't know why there is, can I zoom in? No, I can't zoom in. Brilliant. I don't know why there is a white box around the text. Someone help me with that, please. Okay, there we go. Transparent. Now I can't see the text. Brilliant. I actually can't see. I've already made the text color white, haven't I? Edit colors. I just want to make it white, please. Why can't I see the text? Are we gonna have to do it in a box? Like, literally, are we gonna have to? Okay, let's go ahead and start this again. I'm not gonna do a black background because it's just messing up my text, so let's just stick with white, I guess. Let's make the text like that. There we go. Now we have transparent text that may be in the center, possibly not. Why can I not select the text again? I'm guessing once it's been selected once, you can't do anything with it, so that's a cool feature. Can we delete this? What is this? Control D? No. Okay, so we can zoom in. All right, that's a bonus feature right there. And you got to do it this way. We're gonna just make the whole background green for obviously money color. There we go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and save this image here. Boom. Now drag and drop this bad boy. That's Photoshop. Not allowed to open that. Drag and drop that in. Do you want to save changes? What does that? Can I not drag and drop a? Okay, there we go. We Control C, Control V that. How do I remove the background now? I swear there's a remove background tool in Paint. There we go. Look at that, boys. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Select all of that money there. And now, where's my move tool? Okay, it's got a background on it, so it's gonna have to go over here. There we go. That's what we like. We're going to press Control C and Control V, paste that bad boy to the other side, and I'm going to rotate it, flip it horizontal. All right, no one would even know that that's the same image. Okay, so freeform selection, let's try this. Yeah, let's cut this bit of money out here. You dig? There we go. You see, I'm getting the hang of this now. Look, freeform selection, bam. That's going to look but no one cares, all right? We're actually getting the idea. At least we are getting somewhere here. The text definitely isn't centered, I can tell you that already. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add some smoke PNGs to this. I'm pretty sure you can't add PNGs in. I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so save image. Let's see if this works if we drag and drop it. No, it doesn't. It just wants to open it in a separate document, which is gonna probably get rid of this one. So copy an image and then paste it into Paint. Bam, look at that HDness. Now how do I get rid of the background? Will this work? Who knows? Alright, who even knows? Now we've got the smoke. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. My god, how do I get rid of... I just want to get rid of my... Where's my... What have I even done? Okay, I'm guessing we can't add the smoke PNG on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the pencil tool. And I'm just going to add my own drawings to this, okay? I reckon I can make it look kind of good. Let's add a fat $ here. Bam. Well, bam. Is it 2 lines or 1? Pretty sure it's just 1, just to cover up some of the space here. I'm also going to go ahead and add a picture of Banks in the background because the center here is like fully covered. But should I draw it or should I add a picture of him? Okay, so I've got this picture of Banks in here. Now I don't know how to actually put it behind the text. I know there's this rotate tool. I can't find anything else. There's literally 2 tabs on my Paint at the moment, and I don't see anywhere to like put behind or any option like so. Okay, so guys, now what I'm going to do is actually attempt to draw this. I don't want to zoom in because I won't be able to see the image, so I'm just going to actually try my best to draw the picture, which is probably not going to turn out very well.
Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, top flare red raw. Yeah, top flare red.
Alright guys, there we go. That is the finished illustration. So guys, that is it for the video. If you did enjoy, then make sure to leave a like. That would be much appreciated, and it shows me you want to see more challenge videos like this in the future. Also guys, if you did enjoy this video and want to see more graphic design content, then make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications on, and you'll be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And finally guys, if you are looking to improve any of your graphic design skills, I recommend you check out my design packs. They're on my store. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. I use them all the time. And that is it for the video. As I said, hopefully you all enjoyed. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace. The program